You're on my YouTube channel. You're on my YouTube channel. You're on my YouTube channel. Woo! What's up, legends? Welcome back to my channel. It has been a while between videos, but it's all good. We're out on the water and we're going fishing. I'm out here for 2 days. I'm fishing solo, but we're meeting up with a few crew tonight for a few frothies at the shack. I'm going to spend a couple of days exploring a few new areas that I haven't fished before and maybe a few new techniques. Today, hopefully I want to catch some bottom fish, and then tomorrow I might try and target some surface fish, maybe some GTs, some pelagics, something like that. It's just good to be back out on the water. So stick around, it's going to be sick. Cheers. I'm going to tie on this little cultivar stick bait, and I'm going to throw it right up in the rocks, right up in the shallows. Good chance that I'll lose it, but what I'm hoping for is I'm hoping for some jacks or maybe some cod. I've got a recipe that I want to make for lunch that involves mangrove jack, so hopefully I can get a couple. Oh, a couple of little reef sharks. I don't know if you can see that on the GoPro, just there, big bone. I'm going to drop see if I can score against that blue bone. See if he'll take a prawn. Oh, he hit it. Now I'm snagged. Okay. Well, that wind didn't come up as much as it was supposed to, so I thought, no, I'm not hanging around in the creek. I've shot out to the blue water. I've just tied on a 7-inch nuclear chicken jerk shad. I'm going to try and pick myself up a coral trout or maybe a spango or a snapper or something for my lunch instead of the jack. I didn't have much luck in the creek, but hopefully out here we can produce some fish. The water looks quite nice, so we'll see how we go. Oh yes, fish is on. Little cod. Look at that little guy. Pretty little fish. Nuclear chicken. Jeez, he gobbled that, eh? Look at that, ate it right down. Cool little fella. Oh yep, on. Oh, dropped him. Bugger. Yep, on. Oh, that's not a bad. Oh, I dropped him. No. Yep, on. Oh, get up. Little trouty. Woo. Oh, dropped him. Oh, good start, little coral trout. Looks like a nice bommy there. Let's see if we can find a coral trout sitting off the end of him. That's what I'm after. Yes, on. It's only little. Oh, she's pulling hard now. Oh, what do you got? What do we got here? Little cod. Oh, what do we got? 2 fish. 2 cod on 1 soft plastic. Are you joking? Oh, one just got off. Greedy little fellas. Oh, I had 2 cod on the same plastic, but dropped one, but yeah, beautiful. Look at him. Nah, flogging the dead horse. After a rather unsuccessful day on the fish, I headed back to the shack to meet up with the crew. We spent the afternoon catching up over a few beers. Then after dinner I took the young fellas for a walk to try and catch some crayfish. What do you got? Oh, look at him, little fella! Oh, there he is. Anybody can pick up a cray, not anybody can pick up a garfish. Yeah, boy! Woo! High five! Yeah! One in the bag, and we're gonna have a feast tonight. What?
I just stood on it.
Woo! Boo, 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 boo.
Yeah, I got the bag.
Let go of my shirt, you dog. You boys are on fire!
I stepped on it.
You got the shittest shoes, just saying.
Geez, thanks, bro.
Sorry. It really is an awesome place to spend a night. I've just thrown this stick bait on my 40-pound rod. I'm going to cast along this edge here and see if maybe I can pick up a GT or something. This is my 40-pound Reds custom rod, and I'm running the Twin Power 5000 with 40-pound braid on it. So hopefully we can find some pelagics or some fish. Do better than yesterday anyway. Get on it. Oh, yep, on. Oh, Jesus. Good fish, good fish. Oh, shit. Come on. Oh. Good fish, good fish. Woo. Oh. Holy smokes. Oh, good fish. Oh, I don't like my chances here. He's gonna toast me, that bastard. Come on, come on, get up. Oh, yes, good G. Oh. Oh, it's times like these I really wish I had more friends that could drive for me. I'm just trying to drive him away from that reef now. I think I might have him off the reef, which is good. Geez, he took some drag. All right. I still haven't seen it yet. I'm not sure what it is. Hopefully it's a GT, not a shark. I thought I saw some silver up on the reef though, so. Oh, now that I got him out in the open, I can back that drag off just a little bit. The first run was a ripper. Oh, we're getting close now. Oh, yes. Yes, it's a good G. Yes. Yes. Oh, that's not good. That's really not good. Come on, come on. Yes. Oh. Yes. Woo. Jeez, that was. Yes. Awesome, awesome GT. Very happy with that. Oh, thank you, big girl. And there she goes. Yes. Woo! Stoked. It's crazy how one fish can turn your whole trip around, man. That was so much fun. On 40 pound too, over that shallow stuff. Oh man, that just made my whole trip. That was epic. Really enjoyed that. Well, that wind's coming up now, guys, so I think I'm gonna call it a day and call it a trip. Unfortunately, we didn't do so good on the bottom fish, but we had some fun with some pelagics, and it's always a fun time at the shack. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.